Hello everybody, in today's video I'm going to show you how to bind MOMO Farmer address on Mobox. In Mobox, before you can use your MOMO Farmer NFTs and participate fully in that game, you need to link find your BSC wallet address where your MOMO NFTs are held to your Mobox account, and this lets the platform recognize which wallet owns your MOMO and lets you play, stakes, sell or farm with them. And you need a BSC wallet, Binance Smart Chain, example MetaMask or Mobox wallet extension, some BNB in that wallet for gas fees. Your wallet already contains your MOMO NFTs or you will later. First, open any of your web browser. Once you get into this interface of your web browser, in the top you can find this address typed on mobox.io and enter it. And once you get into this interface of your Mobox, in the top right corner we can find to this icon of your profile. Select there, and over here in this configuration of account security, what you can do is you can find bind MOMO Farmer address and select bind here. Simply you need to connect to other wallets. You can simply connect to your Mobox wallet, or you can also connect to one of wallet over here. As I'm going to select to this MetaMask, choose the wallet extension you use, and MetaMask is the common, and approve the connection to the Mobox. And make sure your wallet is on the Binance Smart Chain BSC, not Ethereum. And after binding, Mobox recognizes your wallet as the owner of your Momos. You can play MOMO Farmer and use your NFTs. You can sell, stake or farm in your Mobox games with that address. Thank you for watching this video. I hope I could help you. If you have any queries or confusion, please comment down and we will reach out to you very soon.